they will come back. Okay. So now we are recording. Okay, fine. So I would like to have some questions. First of all, from the person, Ashi. Ashi, can you please answer me? What do you understand from Java? Today's interactive session. Yeah.
Hel-
Yeah, Ashi.
Hello, Lucky.
Hi.
This is my first class.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, previously, I didn't attend your sessions. This is my first session which I am attending.
Mm-hmm.
I have knowledge of core Java,
Yeah, that's
but
fine.
I am not aware of what you are teaching, like which courses you are teaching. And just
Mm-hmm.
now, you have shown me that about Udemy.
Right, right.
So, how we can go through that? Like, you are providing your ID
Credentials.
password.
Yeah. I'm providing my credentials. So actually, I provided my three means I having three account of Udemy. Okay. So
Okay,
like
okay.
one of them I shared with you guys. So one of the
Hmm.
person who is from the batch 5, I think so. He completed this course, Spring Framework, and he generated his such kind of certificate. So you can also learn it. Suppose you already have gone through some course of the Spring as part of your Naresh IT channel, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
now you would like to brush up your skills for the interview purpose, for the preparation purpose, for the more practice purpose. Then you can
Yes,
simply
yes.
refer to the Udemy. You can look into the course. Even after completion of course, you can provide your name. You can generate your certificate, and you can add the certificate as part of your LinkedIn profile as well. I hope so. You got the
Okay.
visibility, right? Yeah, this
Yeah,
is
yeah, I
yeah,
understood.
yeah. And currently we are discussing about the core Java. So core Java interview questions
Okay.
because most of time interview questions are from core Java only. So just I explain
Okay.
first five questions as of now. So just
Hmm.
what is my target here? The target is here. Everybody know the core Java, okay? But the problem with the
Okay,
people, yeah, tell me.
one more thing I want to ask you.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I'm applying for experience,
Mm-hmm.
so I'm searching in product based company,
Don't go for
and
product-based company. Don't go for product-based company in the beginning itself because if you really don't know the things, no. See, what is the worst case in case of product-based company? Na? Everybody have to work independently. This is the problem with product-based company.
yeah, yeah.
I will never suggest
So
you start your career from product-based company.
okay, so actually I attended 3 4 interviews
Mm-hmm.
in product based company only. They are asking related to data structure and algorithms.
Yeah. They will
So
ask.
if
Actually,
you,
they will ask.
yeah,
They
yeah.
will ask. Yeah. Tell me.
So if you have knowledge about data structure and algorithms,
Hmm.
can you share with us?
Yeah. I can
It
have
will
a
be helpful for us.
Yeah, I can discuss about that, but very less amount of people are actually interested for the data structure. But I having the courses if as part of Udemy. So suppose you are looking for some good content now, you having the data
Mhm.
structure courses as part of Udemy. You can simply log in, you can go through it. See, data structure algorithm by Python, data structure algorithm for job interview, right? So many things are
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Yeah, so you can simply go through those particular videos and you can let me know where you are facing the issue and then I will guide you along with that. But right now most of people are looking only for the core Java. So I'm discussing about
Okay,
the core
okay.
Java, but yeah, in our future, definitely if two or three people will be ready, na, then we can go ahead with the data structure. And one more thing I just would like to suggest you guys, don't go for product-based company while keeping the experience because the problem is here they are looking for lots of knowledge. First of all, that knowledge anyhow you are going to satisfy, but the work is most probably the independent work. There's no interconnectivity between the work. Okay, so people are not going to
Okay.
help you much. In the service based company, what is happening? Nobody know the entire product. It's like a banking project. It's a vast project from beginning till end.
Hmm.
So you will have so many people who will interact with you, who will help you, who will try to give you the inputs. But in case of product based companies, you cannot simply enter. If you are entering, you may not able to do the work because you are not having the real experience, right? And
Yeah, right.
product risk people are joining product risk company. I can give you the assurance like people who having 8+ years of experience now, they're joining product risk company. They having package of 25 lakh 30 lakh rupees of package. They are joining the product risk company, but after 8 years of experience. So till 8 years they have learned a lot from the survey based company because survey based company anyhow
Okay.
anyway you are going to have lots of interaction, you are going to learn a lot. Even I also again joined the survey based company which is knowledge exchanger. Why I worked as a service based company? Because now I cannot work independently until and unless you are very expert enough in doing the work. Now you should not join the product based company. Okay. Once you're expert enough,
Okay.
then go for product based company. Yeah.
Okay.
Please.
Thank you for your suggestions.
Yeah, yeah. Please don't go because I have seen people are joining and simply leaving the company because they cannot survive more than 1 month there. Okay. Even this is
I
your
heard
first.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm?
I heard
What is?
that in product-based companies, they are like they are hiring for data structure people who are having knowledge of data structure and
Hmm.
algorithms.
But they finally they are going to take your knowledge as part of product, na? And you know only,
Right.
theoretically, you have never implemented as part of your career, right? So
Yeah,
what?
right.
See, you may have seen in a service company, you're not finding out much experienced persons, like you don't having uh, 20 plus 25 plus years of experienced persons. Okay. So what exactly
Mm-hmm.
those people are doing? See, I'm also the person who will work in a software industry for 5 to 10 years, and then I will switch my career to the product-based company, and where I will try to get lots of earning. So even you can have 10 years of experience, you can go for 40, 50 lakh rupees of package. That is only possible in case of product based company. That is not going to be possible in case of service based company, because company having their own product. And anyhow, anyway, if you are contributing to the product, if you're having the function knowledge of the product, that is more worthful for the company. So your value is not never going to be down in terms of product based company, but your value is going to be down in terms of service based company. So I will strongly suggest you, if you would like to keep some experience, would like to join the company, join first of all service based company, learn a lot, whatever you can learn from there. Then later, after 2 years or 3 years, you can go for product based company. This is the best thing I can suggest.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, fine.
Yeah, yeah. And I already shown you the Udemy credentials. So again, I will bring as part of the group. You can simply go through the content. You can discuss, you can learn the things, and you can let me know if you're facing issue somewhere, because I am also not that much good enough in the data structure also. Okay. So first of all, I need to learn, then only I can teach. So as of now, I'm dealing with the core Java. Yeah, but future definitely we can discuss about the data structure. Okay. Now what exactly I'm doing as part of those session? I know most of people's are already aware about the core Java, then what exactly I'm doing? I'm trying to give you some standard way to answer the questions. Okay, like you have gone through this Java T point, where it's saying clearly 90% assurance of the interview question. If you see 90% assurance of interview question, which Java T point is containing the very famous questions. Those are mostly asked as part of interview. Suppose I am also the interviewer now. I will ask some of the very famous question. I will not ask simple questions first of all, and 80% questions are the popular question only. So if you know the questions, that's fine. If you know answer, that's also fine, but the way you are giving the answer is more important here. Okay, how exactly you can learn the things in a proper way, how exactly you can answer the things in a proper way, that matters here. Okay, so let me show you how exactly Ria is answering the question. Right now I'm asking the question from the Ria, and Ria is attending my session from the very first day. Even before starting this common session, we was having one or two sessions with other people's as well. So Ria was also the part of those particular session. So let me show you how exactly Ria is answering for this particular question. What is the Java? Because people are simply saying Java is a language, and they are not talking in a very proper way. Here you have also written in front of you like Java is a robust platform independent, but it's looking like a fresher answer. But we need to give an answer who having some experience. So such kind of answer I'm expecting from you guys. Okay. So Ria, can you please answer what do you understand from Java? And what is the Java, and why exactly Java has been developed? Those are the three same questions, but answer will be one standard answer. Yeah, Ria. Ria, are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
So yes,
So.
Java is object oriented.
Mm-hmm,
Yeah.
mm-hmm. And.
Okay. So Java is a object oriented, secure and language agnostic,
Mm-hmm,
high performance multi-threaded language,
mm-hmm.
and it is yeah, and it is developed by Ashish Ghosli. Lucky I can see the answer over here. Please scroll it down so that I will not see it.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Mm-hmm,
So yes, it is a secure object oriented programming
mm-hmm,
which has been used vastly. It is used for the web application development, enterprise application development, also for the distributed application development.
mm-hmm,
Um, as well as the standalone application also.
Mm-hmm. So I have one question. Why
And
exactly Java has been developed
yeah.
actually? What was the reason behind the Java development?
Okay, so Java development was basically done for the initially when Java came, it was basically done for the like the which application? I'm not getting the word
No,
that
mm-hmm.
uh,
Yeah.
yeah,
maybe
I'm not getting the
maybe for independent applications like
Mm-hmm.
platform independent.
Okay. That we are simply
no. It was basically for the
small devices like
mobile.
yeah, it was, see, first of all, what was happening
Yeah,
now, if
small
we
devices, mobile. Yes.
hmm portable devices. Okay, what happening now in terms of C and C++, they was the procedure-oriented programming languages, right? And problem with those both those particular language, like they having a dependency on that particular hardware. If you have run some particular application for that particular hardware, na, that will run there only. But now we have the first of all challenge. We would like to have the application which should be write once and execute multiple times, right? Read once and execute multiple times. You may know that one particular tagline. Even we would like to operate the small devices, semiconductor devices, right? Radio is there, signals are there, calculators are there. All those requirement was there for the Java. So one of the best thing, platform independency. On top of that, to support the small devices like us, signals and the calculators and the mobile kind of devices. Okay, this was the thing. Even later point in time, it came into the picture for the enterprise development as well as part of the Java. Like we know the banking application has been developed as part of the Java, right? Okay, so in this way means, but you need to be more confident enough actually in this kind of what to say, a little bit nervousness maybe not work out. Okay, that's fine. So I hope so, guys. You got the visibility. So you need to use some standard terminologies like platform agnostic, language agnostic kind of words, right? Okay, so I hope so, guys. You got some visibility, but you need to keep some point in your mind. Okay, who have developed the Java? Already know the James Gosling, right? And now one of the most important interview question, like Java is a pure object-oriented programming language, yes or no?
From Java 8 onwards, no, from the wrapper classes, when the wrapper classes introduced, so it has
Mhm.
become the pure object-oriented programming language.
Mhm. So why exactly Java was not considering like a pure object-oriented programming language?
Because of this primitive data
Uh,
types.
Right,
Oh,
right, right. Because of this promoted data types, you said. So like we were simply saying that Java is not pure object oriented because it's having the primitive data type, but later point of time we having the Java 5, which was having the wrapper classes. Those wrapper classes are automatically converting from primitive data types to the classes kind of coverage. Like instead of int, we having the integer. So it's one more thing. Okay, what else was the problem with the Java? What else things has been covered as part of pure Java programming language? So Java is not supporting any kind of friend function. Java is not supporting any kind of point. Java is not supporting any kind of what to say, the virtual functions, right? All those things. So we have seen what is the advantage we have in Java on top of the C++. So we have gone through it. We have checked into the things. Java is not supporting some legacy statement like a go-to statement. So first of all, the primitive data type was the major concern, which was making Java is a not pure object oriented. But from Java 5 onwards, we having the prepper classes, right? And we must know the difference, because if you would like to give Java features in a more better way, you should know what is the major difference between C and C++, because C++ is also object oriented and Java is also object oriented. I can simply say C++ is not pure object Java object oriented, but Java is pure object oriented. Okay, that is only was reason for the primitive data type. So I already explained all those things. Even multiple inheritance was possible as part of your C++, or multiple inheritance is not there as part of Java. So also you need to know what do you mean by multiple inheritance. What the multiple inheritance is not possible as part of the Java. Anybody can answer me why multiple inheritance is not possible as part of Java? Yeah, Rita, why multiple inheritance is not
yeah.
possible by Java?
Because of the super keyword.
Who
No,
told you?
multiple inheritance
Mm-hmm.
because
Because
Suppose,
mm-hmm.
can I?
Yeah, no, no, yeah, no, no, please proceed. Yeah.
Yeah,
Uh,
it was exactly the reason, I guess. We were not
suppose
able to. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. First of all, Naina, complete then Shubham. Yeah. Tell me, Naina.
suppose the A class is derived from the B and C, then
Mm-hmm.
we call any one method, that is the super dot. Suppose M1 method, then
Mm-hmm.
which class M1 method will be executed? There is the ambiguity problem, no? That's why
Mm-hmm. Okay,
this
but
is
see, you
also.
given the answer like a Amir pit. You should not give answer like Amir pit. You said classic class. We never say like this classic class. We do say one thing. I means whatever the provide creating na, that class always having the super class, okay, which is known as the object class, right? So whenever we having the object class, each and every class having the object class, then ambiguity is going to be created. Which method is getting called from which particular class, right? Ambiguity is going to be created, right? Got the visibility?
Yes.
Yeah, so don't say A or B class, you say whatever class we are going to create as part of Java, each and every class having the super class, which is known as the object class, right? So object class is having the method, and suppose you would like to call which particular class is getting called, so multiple inheritance is not possible in terms of Java. Okay, yeah, Shubham, anything else you would like to talk about multiple inheritance here?
No, exactly what Naina said, that if we have this our class, which is subclass for multiple superclasses,
Mm-hmm.
and in our subclasses
Mm-hmm.
there's a super call. So whenever the constructor is executed, if we have this multiple superclasses,
Mm-hmm.
and our class our subclass cannot determine which superclass for which it has to call the super call for.
Mm-hmm.
So there's this ambiguity for which super class constructor it needs to call. So that's why it cannot support this multiple inheritance.
What do you understand from super? Super is a keyword or constructor or method, first of all?
It's a keyword.
It's a keyword. Okay. Anybody else would like to provide your input? What do you understand from super? Yeah, Shweta? Anybody? Nana? What do you understand from super? What
Super
is
is a
super?
keyword. Super is keyword. Super keyword used in the two forms, that is super dot and
Hmm.
no, too much. Zero parent constructor means to call the constructor we use super parenthesis, and
Hmm.
to call super class methods or
Hmm.
what methods or variables, then super
Hmm.
dot is used.
Right,
and
right, right. Hmm. So my question
and
here, I would like to
super
call
is
the constructor. I would like to call the constructor. Super should be there in the beginning of the constructor. It can be the end of the constructor as well. I would like to call the super
no,
So
constructor.
it must be the
at
first
the
step.
Beginning. It should be at the
Beginning.
beginning.
Okay, and if we
First
would like to
yeah,
call a method,
then after this super keyword.
Sorry.
if I would like to call a method, what should I do?
then it can be any statement.
Right, right, right. This need to be remember, guys. Okay, if you would like to call the so yeah, correct. The super is used in a two way. First of all, it using in a way of constructor. Other page in terms of the variable calling or in terms of method calling, right? So that you need to remember. Okay, this is the important thing here. Yeah, ambiguity issue is going
And
to be yeah.
super cannot be used in the static method
Right, right,
because
right.
object is required for
Yeah.
that.
Hmm. So where exactly static object is getting created?
What?
Static. Where exactly static memory area is going to be created?
In
You,
the
a static variable. Where exactly it is getting created in JVM?
Method area.
When the class is
method area.
loaded.
Method area. Okay. It's
Method
not.
area.
Yeah, yeah. So is it static is associated with the object or not? Static variable is
No,
associated with the object?
No.
no.
No. So what is
No.
happening if I'm assigning any value to the static variable
It is applicable throughout the class. Means
throughout the class or throughout the object or throughout the application?
Both throughout this
Throughout the
object and this.
application.
Throughout the application, not both.
Yeah,
Okay. Class is
yeah.
structure. Okay. but you can't say like it's throughout the class or throughout the object. It's throughout the application. Whenever your application is getting loaded, if you will go through the Spring, you will get more visibility. Like we have in the Bean Factory, we have in the application context. The application context is nothing but the one kind of context which is getting created in the beginning of application when it's starting, and it is getting closed whenever the application is shutting down. Okay. So the same thing in case of static also. Static memory is getting allocated whenever it's getting loading, and it is going to be destroyed once the application will be shut down. Application means you are starting the application or you're stopping the application. Got the visibility? Yeah,
Yes,
internet
sir.
standalone or
Yeah.
Yes.
it's a web based application. Static means static. Okay, so that is the advantage here. Okay, what was the issue with the call by value and call by reference? What exactly do you understand, guys?
Call by
Call,
reference means their address of the memory location is visible, and
right,
hence
right, mhm,
it is a disadvantage that
right. How why?
someone can get that address and
Mhm.
can change some value, or some misuse will happen.
Right, right. Nena is only the one who is answering. Asi, Ria, I want answer from you. Sweta also, I want answers. Okay, you can also answer. Okay, you can unmute yourself and answer whatever you know. Okay, so yeah, it's a true
Okay.
call by reference having the issues, because if you get to know the memory, you can perform the changes and anybody can take the appropriate action whatever they want. Okay, so we should not have the call by reference. So call by reference is available as part of Java.
No.
No,
No.
no.
Okay. Call by value is there in Java?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. What do you mean by call by value? Interview question, guys. I'm asking all interview questions only.
Directly passing the value as in form of the method argument, or
Mm-hmm.
so as a form of the method argument.
Okay. Yeah, correct. So most of time we are creating the methods, and while creating the method, we need to simply pass the argument. So argument passing means nothing but that you are having some value as part of this particular argument, and then you are going to pass the value, right? This is the way. Okay. So guys, you are aware about some structure kind of okay, which kind of overloading is possible in terms of Java?
What?
Overloading,
What? Which
overloading,
over
Method or
overloading,
method
Method
and
and constructor.
Overloading.
constructor
method.
overloading is also there. Constructor overloading.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Okay.
yes.
How
as
exactly?
part of Java? Yes. Yes, it is there.
we can
How
pass a
exactly?
different parameter
Okay.
with different
Like
parameters. We can override.
Okay. I have one question from Asi. Asi, I am saying so constructor overriding is possible.
No,
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 not override.
not
No.
no,
overriding.
not overriding. Overloading is possible. Constructor
Okay.
overloading.
Overloading is possible. How exactly constructor overloading is happening?
Like,
by passing the different arguments.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
Different number
yeah,
of arguments, right?
by
Yeah, yeah.
passing the
Number of, but
different number of arguments.
Okay. If I'm creating the parameterized constructor, by default constructor is getting created by compiler. If
no,
I'm creating the
Default constructor will
parameterized
be created
constructor,
by
no, no. If
no,
you are creating
parameterized
your own
constructor.
constructor with
No.
parameterized,
No, no, no.
no, right,
no.
right. So we need to create the by default constructor from our side, right? If
By
we are not,
default, yeah, yeah, right.
yeah. Okay, okay. So default constructor, nothing but the constructor without parameter, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
right.
Yeah.
Okay, okay,
And
Zero
okay.
parameterized constructor type.
Right, right,
no,
right.
it is
Tell me,
default
tell.
constructor is compiler generated, na?
But I am
Yeah,
saying once you
default
have,
constructor is compiler.
hmm
But we are not passing any parameters, right?
see.
Default count.
What is my
No,
question?
then it will be explicitly.
My question is here. If I'm creating the parameterized constructor, default constructor is automatically going to be created by compiler. Yes.
No.
No,
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 No. Yeah.
no.
Yeah. So
no.
default constructor is not going to be created by the compiler. You have to create it explicitly, right? Okay.
Yeah, right.
What kind of modifiers are possible for the outer class? What are modifiers are possible?
Public,
Public and default.
public and protect.
Protected
public
is possible.
protected.
No,
No, no,
not possible.
Private is
no, no.
possible.
Public and default. No,
Private is possible.
Only
no, no.
public
No,
and
not possible.
Only public and
Public and default.
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 okay. How many kind of constructor is possible with a private constructor, public constructor, protected constructor, default constructor? All four kind of constructor is possible as part of class or not?
Public,
Mm,
default,
as
and private.
Yeah.
public,
For
private,
for
and default.
What about
Yeah.
constructor? Protected
Sorry.
constructor? Yeah, protected constructor is
No,
possible.
protected, not
protected constructors
not
are
possible.
protected class.
Mm-hmm.
Subclasses will take it as protected, right?
I'm saying the protected modify can be applied as part of the constructor.
No.
It's possible. It's possible.
No.
You can have a protected
Runtime class we
constructor.
can
Now, whatever the class I'm saying, can we apply the protected modifier as part of the constructor? Yes or no?
No.
We can provide all four are possible
Yeah.
actually. I will show you as part of this screen sharing. Okay. So all four are possible. Okay. Outer class only can have a default and the public one. Got the visibility? Okay. And only operator overriding. Operator overriding there is part of Java.
No, it is as a
No,
part
not
of
allowed.
It's a
yes, it is possible. Java not support.
which kind of
Java don't support operator
method?
overloading.
Okay. So what overriding is possible in Java?
Method and
Method
constructor
overload.
Method and
Method.
Method
Constructor overloading.
overriding.
Overriding he's asking, right?
overriding. I'm
Yeah.
asking. Then
Yeah.
It's method only.
That is only for method only.
right,
Method
right.
overriding.
So constructor overriding is possible?
No.
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 No, not possible.
No. Only overloading is possible.
Right, right. So you should not get confused between overloading and overriding. Okay. Okay. Let me ask some other question. So can you please confirm me JVM is platform independent or dependent? JVM.
JVM is platform dependent.
JVM is platform
Yeah.
dependent.
Okay.
Dependent.
Dependent.
Or what about bytecode?
Bytecode is
Independent.
platform independent.
Why exactly?
Bytecode is independent
Why?
because we can use the byte
JVM is
because this yeah.
Mhm.
Bolo.
okay. JVM is developed in the C and C++ language, and which is in platform dependent.
Mhm.
But bytecode is used to run on
In
is
any
you
platform we can.
Right. Right.
execute it. We
Yeah.
just need a JVM to execute our bytecode. So
Mhm.
in any system it is in, okay, it
Mhm.
might be in Linux or Windows. So we
Mhm.
just need to execute this. We need the platform to execute our bytecode. Hence, bytecode is platform independent, but
Mhm.
JVM is platform dependent.
Okay, okay. So we having separate JVM for each and every machine, like Windows and Linux and Macintosh.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Okay. So guys, first of all, let me please confirm me where exactly the object is created in JVM. Object.
In the heap area.
In the
Heap
heap
area.
area.
Heap area.
When exactly? It's a compile time or runtime?
Compile time.
Runtime.
Who said compile time?
Runtime.
No, when runtime.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Runtime.
runtime.
Better to say, guys, because chat option is not that much visible. Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. So yeah, it's a runtime. Okay, object is getting created at runtime. Okay. So guys, first of all, you need to know all those memory areas. First of all, okay. So class area is also known as the method area. So your static variables are getting created here, right? So if you see the class area stores the per class structure such as the runtime constant pool, field, method data, and the code for the method. Okay, possibly you will get some confusion here, but it's a method area which is containing such kind of method data as well. Okay, where the local variable is getting created? Local
Stack
variable,
area. Method stack.
Stack area.
stack
Stack
area.
area.
Okay,
Yeah.
It's stack area.
okay, and
No,
tell me.
I think local object is not created. No.
No, local variables where exactly it's getting
Local variable.
created.
Stack area.
Stack area only. Stack
Stack
area
area.
only. Yeah. Okay. Program counter register, what exactly its content? What do you understand from program counter actually?
It contains the details about our thread.
The instruction which is being executed.
No, 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 no. You guys have not gone through the architecture, huh? Properly studied in engineering. Why exactly we maintain the
Uh,
program counter
it
here? Yeah.
it, uh, it contains the detail about our thread execution.
No,
Mhm.
no,
Maybe
no.
it will give
We don't
instructions to
Okay, what is the use of,
execute.
first of all, what is the use of register? What exactly registers do? Don't tell me attendance,
Used for
okay?
storing purpose.
Okay, what exactly you are storing as part of
No,
register?
a register is actually used for storing the address.
What
Yeah, address. It will contain
address?
address maybe.
Okay,
The
address is.
instruction which is to be executed.
Okay, okay. See, guys, first of
Okay,
all,
class address of.
tell me.
Okay, continue.
Actually, register is used for the intermediate operation. Suppose I'm saying A plus B plus C, right? So exactly all those operations are not going to perform in one go. Okay. First of all, A plus B should be there. There will be some intermediate result that will be kept as part of register. Then the result plus the C will be added. Then it will proceed further. So if you see the program counter it is known as the register. So PC is known as the program counter. Registers contain the address of the Java virtual machine instruction currently being executed. So like it need to be maintained some sequence from which direction it is going to be like counting it's maintaining, right? So address which is going to maintain, so which instruction is going to be executed next, that is the main funda of the program counter. So I'm saying A plus B plus C, so I'm saying A plus B first of all need to be added, then its result is going to be kept as the part of register. Result is nothing but the it's having the some address where the value will be there, right? And then your next instruction is plus C, that is going to be executed. And then after what exactly next is need to be get executed, so that you need to remember. So the main funda of the program counter to track the what needs to be executed, that is the main funda of the program counter. Got the visibility? Program counter is made from the register, and register is storing the address, and address is storing the particular value, that is intermediate value, not the end value. It's intermediate value, A plus B. What happened as part of A plus B, that particular value stored as part of register. And then on top of that, plus C need to be done. So intermediate operation will be going to store as part of register, and register is storing the memory addresses. So you cannot directly access registers. Got the visibility here? Okay.
Yeah.
What is the use native method area? What is the use of that? Means native method state. Why exactly we are using it?
So native methods like methods which are written in the C or C++
Other
language,
libraries.
and if
Mm-hmm.
yeah, if we and we are calling this method from our Java program.
Mm-hmm.
So for those methods execution, we have this native stack area where the native method execution is done.
Okay, so first of all, you need to know, guys, this session is going to be closed and we will join it again. Okay, so let's join again after some
Sir,
time. Yeah.
I have one doubt
Uh-huh.
regarding program counter register. If we
Uh-huh.
are having for loop,
Uh-huh.
so how we can get to know
No,
that which address is registered there?
no, it
Like
is
you
not
said
going
that,
to,
for example, you said that A plus B plus C.
Mm-hmm.
So first A plus B will be executed, like
Right,
it will get registered.
right. But
Instruction will be taken.
yeah, but here JIT compiler will work into the picture. You will get to know about